welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. And today's video, we're actually going to be checking out a car. So this car, it's an S-Class, it's an S500. I saw it on Facebook, and I mean, I couldn't believe like the price it was going for. It was going for $1,500, and it has 160,000 miles on it. And obviously, it's the M113 motor, which, you know, it's a pretty good motor. It's got a 7-speed transmission because it's a 2006. So 2006 S550. I mean S500, and it looks really, really like it's in good condition from the pictures I saw on Facebook. So we are on our way right now. It's actually an hour and 30 minutes away from where I live. It's in Cleveland, Tennessee. We've got about 30 minutes till we get there. And yeah, I'm gonna go check it out, guys. Right now, it's a little sketchy. Actually, not a little sketchy. It's pretty sketchy because of the price. And after asking for the VIN number of the car, I checked it twice on 2 different sources, and the only thing that's really kind of sketched me out, I keep saying kind of, it's actually like pretty wonky, pretty sketchy. She says that the car is registered to her in Tennessee, but it says Oklahoma, and it says the registration was done in 2019. And I asked her how long she had the car for. She said May of this year. So it's not a lineup there. We're still gonna go check it out, because if the car is good to go and the title is good to go, that's a steal. That's a good deal. The only thing, there are a few things wrong with it, and maybe I'm assuming that's why she listed it as that price, or just wants to get rid of it. Because I asked her what was her reasons why. She said the transmission's got a pretty bad leak, and she doesn't know where it's coming from, and she doesn't have time to fix it, so she just wants to get rid of the car. I mean, I don't mind driving to go check it out and see what the deal is with this car. So right now, my priority is the title, and just really checking out the car and knowing if the car is a good buy. I can't really say much, but I think I've given you a few details on the car. So once we get there, I'll keep you guys updated. So I'll see you guys there. All right, guys. So we just got here, and I'll show you guys the car real quick. And we are okay to film, so you guys are lucky. All right, guys. So this is the car. Right now, you said you're gonna put the battery in? Yeah, I just got the battery in. Okay, so the battery's dead, but obviously we have a battery in here. So this is the car right now. This is how it's sitting. It's missing the door. A few of the trims over there. Cool. It's missing a grill, but okay. So far, everything looks pretty good from the outside. Just a few other things with those over there on the side skirts. I
do have a replacement window for it.
You have the replacement window? Okay, so
I got it without the window, and the guy gave me the wrong window for it.
Oh,
so
gotcha.
And then I went out of town for work.
Okay.
That's the same time the transmission started leaking, so
Gotcha.
I just got back, and I don't really want to deal with it.
Yeah.
I'm more of a Volkswagen guy.
Oh yeah. This is the trunk. So how long have you had this for?
We got it in since May.
Since May?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's my girlfriend's car. She drove it for until August.
So August?
And then it started with the transmission fluid.
Okay.
Then just kind of parked it and just driving one of my other cars.
Okay. We can look inside real quick. All right, guys. This is the inside. Trims are looking pretty good. Seats Seems pretty good. It's got the smelter right. Anyways, that's the replacement window right there. Everything is looking pretty good on the dash. Obviously, oh yeah, the cluster right there doesn't work. This trim needs some work. It still works though. That works. How do I open this? Okay. It's kind of got the smell to it. Okay. There's a knife in there. Anyways. So. Everything seems to work. In terms of the trims. Okay. Tires, it needs new tires for sure. All right, let me check the driver's side real quick. Yeah, the cluster over there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's missing. There's still more to check out on this car, guys. I'm not sure why because it's supposed to show that it is registered.
Yeah.
On the VIN number on the car.
You want to start it up or anything?
Yeah, I want to start it up. Actually, before I start it up, I just want to check a few things to see what works and what doesn't work and such.
Yeah, just the dash display. I don't know if you saw that.
I saw it, yeah.
The previous owner did some terrible light mods into it.
Oh, really?
And it decided to short out and start smoking.
Okay.
So I took it out and took this stuff that was fried out.
Okay.
And other than that,
okay.
I don't know if she put in the ad if the locks work.
Yeah, she did.
They don't work from the button. They work with the key, obviously, but...
Okay.
I don't know if the stereo's hooked up or not.
Okay.
I know all the stuff's back there for it, and I know that if one thing's unplugged, none of it works.
Okay.
So it has that like fiber optic system in it.
Yeah, right now it doesn't work. Seats do work. Okay. That works. Okay, cool. The sunroof works.
I honestly couldn't tell you.
Okay, because I don't want to. Okay. It just takes a minute for it to go all the way. Okay. That's the important window.
Yeah.
Windows do work. Lights do work, guys. Turn signal works. The car, did you know it was a flood car?
I did not know that.
You didn't know that?
No.
Okay. Yeah, it is a flood car. It had a salvage title because obviously it was a flood car, but it was rebuilt. So yeah, that's why I was wondering. You can kind of smell it in the car also. Yeah. Just looking at codes right now. Bear with me. I'm trying to film and do this at the same time. Okay, it's reading through the system right now. So when you turn it on, it just dumps transmission fluid on the floor.
It's just like a constant stream.
Yeah, so it's saying the TCM, the transmission control module. There are a few fault codes on them. There are a few codes on there. It's related to the transmission. I'm not sure if there'll be more unless we start the car. We can go ahead and start it. All right. Oops. Battery's dead right now. Didn't know it was gonna be loud.
Oh. Yeah, it still has cats.
It still has the cats.
I think they just took the back.
Resonator and muffler. Gotcha. I'm surprised that it hasn't lifted itself up. Checking to see what's up with the ABC suspension. It's not lifting up. So yeah, we have a problem here. I don't know if you guys see that, but it's kind of hard to tell. You can see it's leaking transmission fluid right there. So we're gonna go ahead and shut it off. It's leaking pretty bad. Yeah.
That's kind of why I'm just like, I'd rather not.
Yeah.
I just see myself getting a lot further than I want to get into it.
Yeah. Yeah, I really wish I could drive this thing. It's really just pouring down transmission fluid. So that means this would have to get towed. Well, you guys have seen it. Well, we're gonna talk for a little bit, and then I'll keep you guys posted on what really my decision is on this car. Yeah, guys, the car needs a lot of work. Definitely not picking this car up. The thing is, you know, the ABC you guys saw, the car didn't lift up. It should lift up. It doesn't have to be driving for it to lift up. I put it in drive reverse. It moved, but the ABS or the ABC still didn't lift the car up. So that's a problem. I couldn't really see what really was going on with in terms of codes on the cluster board. If my scanner didn't tell me exactly what codes the car had. So that's that. I looked at the oil, or opened up the reservoir to see exactly what I was dealing with, and the oil looked really bad in it. It looked pretty caked. I had to make a pass real quick. Anyways, I started it up also. Kind of got this egg smelter, like rotten egg smell. That basically means the catalytic converters are bad, or they're going bad. Just a whole lot with the car, and the title itself just didn't make sense to me. So I couldn't drive the car, and obviously in order to make sure other components are working on the car, you have to drive it, knowing how it feels, how the transmission shifts, engine mounts, suspension, and all that. But that had a lot of work that needed done to it. It's definitely something that I can't take on right now. It would have to be something that's already running. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you enjoyed looking at the car, and thought it was possibly gonna be a new car in the channel, but obviously not. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.